Pero anyway, I'm not feeling well. That's why my voice is like this. Yeah. Mikalem. Are you excited to visit the US? Ano ba yun? Bakit ganun boses ko? Are you excited to visit the US? Yeah, I'm very excited kasi I really like the US. And ako. Nagkape ka na ba today? Hindi pa nga eh. Gutom pa ako. Gutom na ako. And sobrang Latina. Thank you. Did you drink coffee na? Hindi pa po.